Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. It's the beginning of February, so I want to showcase this fabulous new bundle from the Spring Mini catalog, the Heartfelt Bundle. And it's part of this gorgeous From My Heart suite, which you can find on page 9 of the catalog. I'm going to show you how to make a lovely card that you could give to a friend or a loved one, but first I want to show you some of the samples I've received from swaps that were made with this bundle. I love this one that's made with a non-traditional Valentine's color, and I love this little flip that we are going to do here. I'm thinking I'm going to teach this in my next Fancy Fold class. Here's one using similar techniques to what we're going to be doing today, as well as using one of the doilies. You can get a set of 40 doilies in the catalog. Half of them are real red, half of them are flirty flamingo, and they're all on the back. They're all white, so you've got 3 choices of colors there. And here's another card that I made with the doily where I used the metallic thread to create string art. And these cards here are used with the same bundle, and they also use the beautiful designer series paper. And you can see this gorgeous paper. For one thing, it's got foil accents on it, so it's really shiny and shimmery. Absolutely gorgeous. And the scalloped edge punch right here actually punches out the images from the designer series paper. So it's just really beautiful. Lots of gorgeous things you can create with this suite. So this stamp set, the Heartfelt stamp set, full of lovely images and sentiments, you can get this for $22. And then these 2 punches, they come in a pack together, the plain edge one and the scalloped edge one, and that's $46. But if you buy the punch pack and the stamp set together as a bundle, it's $61, so you're saving 10%. And then of course that $61 purchase means that you qualify for a free level 1 celebration item. Now, if you don't have a partner or you don't want to celebrate Valentine's Day, I get it, and I'm definitely not one for over-the-top romance. But what I do love about this time of year is taking a bit of time to remind the special people in my life that I appreciate them. Last year, for example, I made Valentine's Day cards for about 15 of my closest friends, both guys and gals, and I sent them in the mail. And let me tell you, what a wonderful day it was when all those cards arrived, a total surprise for everyone, and I started getting all these messages about how touched they were and how loved they felt. And when you get down to it, that is why we do what we do, to make people feel loved and feel special. And it doesn't have to only be a romantic relationship in order to do that. So this card that we're making today, it could easily be for a friend or a family member or anyone special that you want to send love to. So you will need a real red card base of 8.5 by 5.5 inches, a piece of early espresso, which is 5.5 by 2.25 inches, a piece of petal pink, which is 3 5/8 by 4 7/8, and a piece of Whisper White, which is 3 3/8 by 4 5/8. Now for my first step, I'm going to be punching out a scalloped edge heart from the petal pink layer in order to save on cardstock. So I'm going to make sure to stamp my heart outline kind of close to the edge of the cardstock, because otherwise I won't be able to reach it with my punch. When we end up putting our Whisper White layer over top of that, you're not going to be able to see that there's a hole. So next, on my Whisper White layer, I'm going to stamp these 2-layer heart images here. Now, when I saw some cards online with these images, I thought, oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. How did they do that? Was it some kind of complicated masking? No, Stampin' Up has designed these stamps to create these beautiful images for us. So all you need to do is we're going to stamp this one in Petal Pink, and we're going to stamp this one in Real Red on top of it. And let me show you what happens. So look at how the Petal Pink peeks through all those little holes in the red heart. Isn't that gorgeous? Stampin' Up knows what they're doing. They design these beautiful products and they make it so easy for us to create amazing projects. So now I'm finished all my stamping and I'm ready to assemble my card. And I'm going to use mini dimensionals to attach this heart that I punched out. And here's my finished card. Remember that you can share the video for a chance to win this card. Comment below to let me know that you've shared. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you're interested in learning about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page under Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!